The Oukitel WP33 Pro 5G rugged smartphone emerges as a beacon of innovation, offering unparalleled performance, robust features, and exceptional endurance. Designed to withstand the rigors of the modern world, this rugged powerhouse from Aliexpress combines cutting-edge technology with military-grade durability, empowering users to conquer any challenge with confidence. Let's delve into the features that make the Oukitel WP33 Pro a game-changer in the world of smartphones. The Oukitel WP33 Pro 5G rugged smartphone sets a new standard for durability, performance, and connectivity in the smartphone industry. With its powerful hardware, unrivaled battery life, immersive multimedia experience, advanced camera capabilities, and military-grade durability, it's the ultimate companion for users who demand more from their devices. Whether you're a rugged adventurer, a busy professional, or a tech enthusiast, the Oukitel WP33 Pro is ready to take on whatever challenges come your way. Built to withstand the harshest environments, the Oukitel WP33 Pro is certified to IP68 and IP69K standards, as well as MIL STD 810H, ensuring resistance to water, dust, and shock. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or working in challenging conditions, the WP33 Pro is built to endure. Stay connected and secure with the Oukitel WP33 Pro's advanced features, including NFC support for Google Pay, Face ID for convenient unlocking, and SOS functionality for peace of mind in emergencies. With Bluetooth 5.2 and GPS support, you can enjoy seamless connectivity and precise navigation wherever you go. Equipped with an astonishing 22,000 mAh battery, the Oukitel WP33 Pro redefines the concept of battery life, ensuring uninterrupted usage even in the most demanding scenarios. With support for 33W fast charging, users can quickly replenish the battery and stay connected throughout the day.